Let me take you to a travel journey in Atlanta. We went to a botanical garden in Atlanta. So it was an awesome and colorful experience. I hope everyone liked this. So initially we had an opportunity to visit the everyday flowers what we see in different colors like purple, pink, roses. We got an opportunity to go to tropical rainforest to see different types of plants, trees. So these are the roots which hang from the tree, and this view is amazing. See the different types of roots which are falling off from the roof. So there are also fruits and plants. In between these rainforest, there are also different type of plants which help the fruit producing plants to be safer. Next, we went to visit the orchid garden. Here you can see different colors of orchids. This is my favorite, pink with white. See the varieties of orchid. You can see the white orchids as well as different small orchids, purple, different variety of yellow orchid, pink orchid. Again, a glance of tropical rainforest. The view is amazing. There are hundreds and thousands of plants which we have never seen. So these are the herbs. Mighty mites protect our orchids. So this is a plant which protects the orchids. The view was awesome and colorful. I hope everybody likes this. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and follow me. Thank you. Bye bye.